On our way to La Crosse, we wanted to check out our eagle's nest that used to be up there, and it's now floating in the water. I called everybody I could think of, and the only person that came to the rescue was Neil Rettig, and he swam through all of this floodwater, and it is cold out. It's only 52 degrees, and the water's probably still freezing, and he saved a baby out of that nest. You can see right where it's broken off, and the nest is literally floating. Can't wait to see the baby. I'll take pictures. Later all. Love you, Neil.